Well, hello. We're back here at the Ammco 7-inch shaper. We're taking some really aggressive cuts on some 61 aluminum. About 155 thousandths is what I measured out here. And just wanted to take you guys for a trip with me. I'm basically flattening a 90-degree block to 45 degrees on one side for a junk art project. Not probably the most efficient use of my time, but it sure is fun. I'll quit yapping here and let you guys watch this stuff. You don't want to hear me yap anyways, so have fun. One thing I will say that thank you so much to Mikey over there in Hawaii. This is one of his tool bit grinds. I was blessed to have his tool crowned for me and sent here. I'm using an old piece of HSS that's probably not available anymore, made by Blue Chip. He said that it was really difficult to grind, but yeah, whatever the case here, it's chewing up this aluminum like there's no tomorrow. This grind was actually made for cutting harder materials, steels and stuff, but I am taking it for a run on aluminum just to see how it performs, and as you can see, it's performing flawlessly. Thank you so much once again, Mikey. You know who you are. That's all I'm gonna blab about here. Thanks for watching.